concept of biology, and that is the shape of cells. Basically, when we are talking about the shape of cells, we must know what a cell is. So basically, the cell is the basic functional and the structural unit of all living organisms. Basically, all organisms, those are living, are made up of the cell. Sometimes they can be single cell like the amoeba, or they can be multiple cells or multiple cell organisms like the human beings. Now, when we are talking about the shape of cells, there are two categories. Either they can have a fixed shape, that means the shape does not change throughout the living organisms, and sometimes the shape keeps on changing. This changing shape is due to the environment. Sometimes they found a food particle, so they get elongated. Sometimes they shorten their size. So depending upon the environment, they have the changing shapes. Now, when we have the fixed shape, we mean that by they have the same shape throughout the organisms. For example, there are various categories also. So the first category of the fixed shape is that they can be either spherical or sometimes oval shaped. So examples of these cells may include the red blood cells. Basically, the blood is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and the platelets. So basically, the red part in the blood, basically the hemoglobin, is found in the red blood cells, and they have a fixed shape, that is, they are basically spherical in shape. Or we have the ovum. Ovum is found in the reproductive part of the females, and basically that is also basically a circular or spherical in shape. Then we have the spindle shape. Spindle basically means that we have a pointed front and the pointed back. For example, something like this. They have pointed ends, that is the spindle shape. So we have a nucleus here, then we have a cell like this, then we have a cell like this. So these are of spindle shape. Basically, they are found in the muscles. The muscle cells are basically the spindle shaped cells. And then we have basically we can say a branches of the branched shape. For example, the nerve cell. The diagram of the nerve cell may include, this is the outside portion, then we have the center part, and then we have a long strip, that is the axon. Then again we have the next cell, and again from here we start the next cell. Basically, they are in the branch shape. Sometimes we have the cell here also. So that is a branch shape, that is actually the example of the branch of the nerve cell. Then sometimes we can have the kidney shaped cells. Basically, they are found in the guard cells of the stomata. Guard cells of the stomata, they are kidney shaped. For example, like this. They are the guard cells. Now, from all these categories, it is very much clear that fixed shape are basically found in the animals, in the animal cell, or in the plant cell. In the animal cell, plant cell, they have fixed shape. The changing shape are generally found in amoeba and the white blood cells. So red blood cells have a fixed shape, that is spherical. White blood cells have the changing shape depending upon the environment. This was everything about the shape of cells. They can either be a fixed shape or they can be changing shape depending upon the environment. Change is basically basically due to they found a food particle near to them, so they may get elongated. That is due to the presence of any particle in the environment. And in the category of fixed shape, they can either be spherical like the red blood cells. They can be either spindle shaped like the muscular cells. They can either be branched like the nerve cell, or they can be kidney shaped like the guard cells. This was the concept of the shape of cells.